In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trend lines on MetaTrader 5. Trend lines are one of the most basic and useful tools in chart analysis. They help you visualize the direction of price movement and can make it easier to spot support, resistance, and overall market structure. If you're reviewing a chart and want to mark the path of a trend clearly, MetaTrader 5 makes the process very simple. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 and select the chart you want to analyze. This is important because the trend line will be added directly to the chart you currently have active. Before moving on, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct asset and time frame, since your analysis can look very different depending on the chart you're viewing. Once your chart is ready, go to the menu bar at the top of the platform and click Insert. This menu contains the drawing and analytical tools you'll use to mark up your chart. After clicking Insert, move to Objects, then choose Lines, and finally select Trend Line. This tells MetaTrader 5 that you want to draw a standard trend line on the active chart. Now your cursor is ready for placement. Click on the chart where you want the trend line to begin. In most cases, you'll want to start from a clear swing low in an uptrend or a swing high in a downtrend. Choosing a meaningful starting point can make your analysis much easier to read later. After that, hold and drag the cursor to the point where you want the trend line to end, then release the mouse button. As you drag, you're defining both the angle and the length of the line, so try to align it with the price structure you're analyzing. It doesn't have to be perfect on the first try, but placing it carefully will make the chart much more useful. Once you release the mouse, the trend line will appear on the chart. At this point, you can visually compare it with the movement of price and use it as part of your analysis. If needed, you can always adjust the line later by selecting it and repositioning its anchor points. And that's it. You've successfully added a trend line in MetaTrader 5. It's a quick process, but it's a very valuable skill if you want to keep your charts organized and make your market analysis more visual and precise.